Popplet is a site where you can make your own mind maps. Remember, to achieve the level 4 in your coursework, you need to show excellent use of ICT. By using sites such as Popplet, you can really bring your ideas to life. This particular site is really useful for your initial ideas mind map. To get started, sign up for Popplet. Make sure you make a note of your login details and your password. You can make up to 5 free Popplets per year, so just sign up for the free version because 5 is absolutely sufficient for your coursework. You can choose the background. I've chosen a pink colour here for my Popplet. You can choose whichever colour you want. Try and make it fit the theme of your magazine if possible. Once you're in here, you create your first Popple. So if you click on the little cogwheel here and click on New Popple, this comes up here. And we're going to call this Initial Ideas. We call these little call-outs popples, and you can actually change the colour of your popple by clicking on this button here. So there's different colours there. What might be a good idea is to group your mind map into themes and ideas. So you could have one particular colour for certain popples which are linked to the layout and convention and design of your magazine, and you could have a different colour popple for examples of features or musicians who will be featured in your music magazine. This button here, you can change the alignment of the text and also the size of the text. This button here, you can actually draw things. So you can use different colours to draw ideas. So let's just have a go here. And obviously if you don't like that, just clear drawing and start again. You can also, by using this button here, upload various things. So this is where you can bring your mind map to life. So you could upload images to exemplify the points that you want to make, and you could also embed YouTube or Vimeo links to show examples of music which might be featured in your particular magazine. You can also use this little black button here just to kind of stretch out and reduce the size of your popple. Here, these little grey buttons either side of your popple create new popples. Let's create a new popple. There we go. So let's call this idea 1. Again, I would encourage you to use a different colour popple to group your ideas together into categories. Let's say, for example, you wanted to include a video just to exemplify some of the music which might be in your magazine. If you click on this button here, you can actually click on there and you can search for a YouTube video. From past experience, this is quite tricky to achieve, so it would be useful if you find the video first on YouTube, copy the URL, which is the unique address across the top here. Again, you can use shorthand Command C to copy, go back to Popplet and paste your video URL there and click add. Once that's added, you can see that it's across the middle of my Popplet mind map, so I can just drag this to one side and I'm going to leave it there, close that window down, and I'm going to create a link by dragging that grey bar across there. So I'm creating links to ideas, and that's basically how you start the basic features of Popplet. Other features which may be useful to yourselves are the zoom features, so you can zoom out, zoom in. If you zoom out, you can see that to navigate around your Popplet, you just drag the screen by holding your cursor down and dropping it there. There are other features here as well. So if we click on the cogwheel, please don't forget to save, otherwise you will lose your Popplet, so make sure you save. You can undo features by using the Edit Undo button there. So if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can get rid of that. Add content. A lot of these are options which are actually on your popples. If you want to get rid of a popple, there is a little cross there. Just click on the cross and that deletes your popple. Once you finish your mind map, you then need to go to Share, click on the Embed code, make sure that you make your Popplet public. This is a particular area where students forget to make their Popplet public, which means you cannot embed. So you must click OK, let me share it. Once you're in here, this is the embed code. Again, copy, so Command C to copy, and then paste into your blog post. But please remember that when you paste into a blog post, you must select HTML mode rather than compose mode. Make sure you give your Popplet a title, call it Initial Ideas, and there you go, Initial Ideas completed.